Mr. Brown, you need to go back with the bailiff. There's right now,
But you're not doing it, I'm
bonds.
telling you.
You
go.
have to
You
go
still
with
need-
bailiff.
you go
You
back.
need to go back with the bailiff.
You
There's
threw
right
him
now,
down.
raised your bonds. You have to go with bailiff.
Let's go.
Why are you
Why
our hands
You threw him
on?
down. Yeah.
Yes.
Why our
I
hands
told
on?
you. I told you I was gonna put hands on you. Let's go.
Why are you putting your hands on? Y'all see
I
this?
told you. I told you. I told you I was gonna put hands on you.
Why your hands being put on? Y'all see this?
Hands on the wall, but you're not listening.
Name, I'm going to put you in custody.
I'm sorry.
Okay, what is your name?
This morning.
You're not
You're
hold
here
on.
today.
I understand what you're doing and what
Okay,
you're
what is
trying
your
to
name?
do.
It's not going to help
Okay.
you.
At one point in your,
to try to play these games. So
at some point in your life prior to being this third party, were you Nasir Brown?
In your life,
At some
or
point, you're not him.
prior
Okay.
to being this third party.
I'm gonna. So here's the thing, if you don't tell me your name, I'm gonna put you in custody for not cooperating this morning.
So here's
I'm not,
the thing,
hold
if you
on.
don't tell me your name, I'm gonna put you
I
in
understand
custody
what you're
for
doing
not
and what you're
cooperating.
trying to do. It's not gonna help you a single bit in court to try to play these games. So, are you Nasir Lewis Brown, or have you been him at some point in your life or not?
Are you Nasir Lewis
Okay,
Brown?
so
Or have
I'm
you
going to
been
call you
him
by
at
Mr.
some
Brown
point in your
because
life
I'm not going to say all the words that you just
Okay,
said.
let me go
Because
through.
you've now
I'm gonna call you
identified
by
yourself
Mr.
as
Brown.
Nasir
Because I'm
Lewis
not gonna say all
Brown.
the words that
And
you
so,
just
Mr.
said.
Brown, this is,
Because
you know,
now
listen,
identified
this is
yourself
your
as
initial
Nasir
appearance,
Lewis
and you have
Brown.
two
In
cases.
clause number 26,
In clause number 26, I just asked you not to speak over me. So here's the thing, Mr. Brown. I'm going to be very patient.
From February 16th.
Your challenge of the subject matter jurisdiction is overruled. Let me go through what I need to go through, okay?
Your challenge.
So this is your initial appearance, your first day in court. I'm required to go through what you're charged with by indictment. In clause number 26, BCCR 03322, you're charged with a third-degree felony offense of assault family violence by impeding breath or circulation from February 16th of 2026. And then in clause number 26, DCCR 0323.
It's been up and down.
DCCR.
Okay,
So here's what I'm going to do,
0323.
Mr. Brown, is I'm just like everyone else.
You're
I'm just
charged
setting
with
your case
the
about 30 days
state jail
felony
felony
offense
offense
of injury to a child, and that's from February 16th of 2026. And so, since you have made bond and got out of jail on your cases, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Speak up so I can hear you. It's been up and down. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do, Mr. Brown, is I'm just like everyone else. I'm resetting your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire a lawyer. You need to try to get someone hired before the next court date. If you do, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, they have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying and we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand?
So as a condition of.
I'm sorry?
Court order, Did and you you would go have back
Say
to
it again.
jail, that you were not to.
You
have any
overstand?
contact
I'm sorry?
communication
Okay, what does that
with
mean?
In each of these
Say it
cases,
again.
right?
Do you understand what I'm saying, sir?
What does that mean? And that if you do have.
You'll
any
oblige.
contact
Do you
understand what I'm saying, either sir? of them, it would
You
be a
just
violation.
determined to use different words and be difficult, aren't you?
Go back to jail. Do you understand that?
Okay.
Determined to use.
So
different
as a
words,
condition
then
of your
you would be
bond,
difficult, aren't you? I'm gonna
did
guess
you
that
have a
overstands
condition
is
that
better
you
than
were not to
understands.
have
So
any
as a
contact or
condition of
communication with the
bond,
complaining
so we
witnesses
don't
in
have
each of these
any
cases,
condition
right?
that you were not to have
Okay,
any
and so I want to
contact
make sure you
communication with
understand
them.
the importance of that. And that if you do have any contact or communication with either of them, it would be a violation of that bond condition if I find out your bond would be raised and you would go back to jail. Do you understand that as well?
That bond condition, if I find
Nasir
out your
Brown,
bond
you
would be
overstand.
raised and you would go
I'm
back
going to
to
guess
jail.
that
Do you
overstand is
understand
even
that as
better
well?
than understand. So you definitely know what I'm
You
talking about, right?
I'm
So
gonna
we don't
guess
have
that
any
overstand is even
miscommunication
better than
today. You know
understand. So
exactly what I'm
definitely
talking
know what I'm
about.
talking about,
So I'm
right?
going to have you step
So
in
we
front of
don't
the clerk.
have
You're
any
going to sign a
miscommunication
reset
today. You
notice so you know when to be back in
exactly
court and
So I'm gonna have
take
you
care of
step
those
in front
things
of the
before
clerk.
the
You're
next
gonna
court
sign a
date.
reset
All right,
notice
step
so
in
you
front of
know
the
when to be
clerk
back in court
and take care of those things before the
You
next
got,
court date.
you've been
All
here
right.
before, but you have to
Nasir
speak up where I
Brown.
can hear you.
Executing beneficiary of the trust in hand.
Nasir
Of
Brown.
the trust of what?
Of the trust in hand, yeah.
Of the trust in hand? Whose
Yes.
hand? What trust?
The execution.
Did you bring a copy of it?
I wasn't able to get to the cop. I do have.
Take the glasses off. I need to see.
Are you
your eyes.
Nasir Brown? That's okay.
Sorry.
So I can't, you've been here before, but you have to speak up where I can hear you.
Clearly, so that the record's
Execute
clear.
beneficiary
You
of trust
guys,
and
you were
name.
already here before, but you have to speak
Of the trust of what?
Try to go
Trust
hire
in
a lawyer
hand,
for your
yeah.
two
Of the
cases.
trust in hand? Whose hand?
Of the trust of what?
What trust?
Trust in hand.
Did you bring a copy
The
of
trust
it?
in hand, whose hand?
I wasn't able to get to the cop.
What
I do.
trust?
Take the glasses off. I need to
You
see your
bring a
eyes,
copy of it?
please.
That's the lawyer. These are my prescription
That's
glasses.
okay.
Take the glasses
So
off.
I can't, I'm having a hard time understanding you. You need to speak up and speak clearly so that the record can be clear. You were already here and I gave you an opportunity to try to go hire a lawyer for your two cases. Do you get a lawyer hired?
And I gave you
Who'd you talk
an
to?
opportunity to try to go
You made
hire a
an
lawyer for
attempt?
your two cases. Did you get a lawyer
Okay,
hired?
did you go see Mr.
Mhm.
Kindler? Did you make an appointment? Who else?
Why not?
That's the lawyer that I chose.
Mhm.
The goal was named negative.
Who
So
else?
if you chose him, you should have gotten him hired. I mean, he has the same, there's somebody that answers his phone every
So
week. I
here's the
understand.
thing,
I know
Mr.
how
Brown. I mean, yeah,
it
he has the
works.
same-
I told you to hire someone or visit with at least 3 lawyers.
You made it.
Then your bond would.
You
be
made
raised.
an
Hire
attempt?
someone to go back to
Or
jail.
visit with at least okay, did you go see Mr. Kindler? Did you make an appointment?
And
And
you've heard me say it
Why
probably
not?
8 times.
Okay,
already.
did you go see Mr.
So
Kindler?
this
Did you
time,
make
Mr.
an
Brown,
appointment?
because you did not do what I asked you
Why
to do,
not?
or what I ordered you to do, I'm going to raise your bond.
So here's the
That's
thing,
overruled.
Mr. Brown,
You're-
you were I told you
listen,
very
Mr. Brown,
specific
I'm raising your
instructions
bond.
when you were here before that if you did not do what I asked you, then your bond would be raised and you would have to go back to jail, right?
Do what I asked you.
Yes,
then
that's
your
exactly
bond
what I
would be
say, because I
raised
say,
and
you've
you
heard
have
me
to go
say it
back to
probably
jail,
8 times
right?
already
Worse
this
than
morning.
that.
So at this
Yes,
time,
that's
Mr. Brown,
exactly
because you did not do what I asked you to do or what I ordered you to do, I'm going to raise your bond. That's overruled. Listen, Mr. Brown, I'm raising your bond to $100,000 if your cases for not following the court order. Go back with the bailiff. Go back with the bailiff.
If your cases for not
Yes.
following the court order, go back with the bailiff.
Go back with the bailiff. You're gonna make it worse if you don't.
Yeah, respectfully, this is not a fair trial.
You don't get to say respectfully and then be disrespectful. Go back with the bailiff.
Sir, don't
You
make me
don't
lay
get to
hands
say
on you.
respectfully and then be disrespectful.
Because you're not doing what
Go back
I'm
with the
telling you
bailiff.
to go.